the weeks and the weekends are keeping close who you're spending with. And in time, what you find is the time is who you spend it with. Joy is who you share it with. Who you share it with. Who you share it with. Yeah, now it's a moment, and a home is who you share it with. I believe what the point is enjoying who you share it with. Joy is who you share it with. Who you share it with. Who you share it with.
Por favor, falta poco y mañana nos vamos a las 6 de la mañana. This is very hard.